When the I-4 Ultimate project is complete, additional improvements will continue to be made downtown. Hicks Avenue in the Parramore area will extend south under State Road 408, intersecting with Gore Street. The Hicks Avenue extension will connect the Griffin Park Historic District with the Parramore neighborhood, improving mobility and safety in the area and reconnecting the two communities.
It opens up the thoroughfare again to where it now will connect the south side of Parramore to the north side of Parramore Creative Village all the way to Colonial Drive. This is going to be able to revitalize the area and bring back many of those families, our new families that was displaced. I'm so excited about it.
The I-4 State Road 408 interchange originally included a network of trumpet ramps, which had created a physical barrier between the communities around I-4.
One of the great things about this project is actually removing that old trumpet ramp system and providing us with an opportunity to build a system and network of ramps that enable us to reconnect the communities underneath. And so it's really a very strategic part of that in helping revitalize the downtown area.
Construction is expected to begin in 2022, but portions of the project have already been started around Griffin Park, where sound walls have been installed to help reduce the impact of traffic on nearby homes. In addition to the road extension, 2 roundabouts, pedestrian features, more lighting, and additional parking will be added along Hicks Avenue. To learn more about the Hicks Avenue extension, roundabouts, and the entire I-4 Ultimate project, visit i4ultimate.com/Hicks.